Not sure how to find your dream home? We're here to help. Our goal is to streamline the process of finding the perfect plan for both homeowners and builders. Our ultimate goal is your satisfaction with the home plan that you choose. The easiest way to get started is to use our website and our magazines. Since we have so many house plans to choose from, we've come up with some helpful ways for you guys to do your searches. We have a house plan styles page, features, and gallery, all to help with finding the perfect home for you.
First, let me introduce you to our website, dongardner.com. This is where you'll begin your search. If there's a plan name or number you've had your eye on, you can type it in the search bar and you'll be taken to a thumb of that plan. Click on the thumb and you'll enter the plan's page, where you can view renderings, floor plans, photography, and any video we may have of this plan. The plan page is also where you'll find specs and pricing. Our House Plan Styles page can be found in our menu under House Plans, House Plan Styles. The Styles page is where you'll find plans listed in specific categories like bedroom, beach house, or cabin homes, for example. Let's click on Farmhouse. After clicking on Farmhouse, you'll be brought to a page where all the farmhouse plans we have can be viewed. Towards the bottom of the page, you'll see how many pages of this style we have. After finding a plan you like, click it and you'll be brought to its plan page. The next way to search is by House Plan Features. This page can be found in our menu under House Plan Features. The Features page was designed so you can search for a specific feature you're wanting in your home, like a basement, a wraparound porch, or a pantry. Let's choose front entry garage, for example. This will bring up all the front entry garage plans we offer. Click the one you like and it will bring you to its plan page. The House Plan Gallery is also a great way to search. Our gallery is a collection of renderings and photography we have of plans. You'll find the gallery in our menu under Home Plans, Plan Photo Gallery. Once on this page, scroll down and you'll see a drop-down menu where you can choose to view by photos or renderings. The other drop-down menu is where you can choose specific things you want to look at, like dining rooms, rear exteriors, or media rooms. We're going to stick with front exteriors for now. Scroll down until you see an exterior that interests you. Click on the image to view it bigger, or you can click the green link below to view the plan page. Another wonderful tool we have to help with finding the perfect plan is our Designer Dream Home Presents magazine. It's a beautiful full-color magazine with photography, renderings, and plan pages. Our newest magazines can be purchased at Barnes & Noble, Books A Million, and newsstand locations nationwide. Digital back issues can be found on our site by going to Resources, Designer Dream Homes Magazines. These magazines are all past issues that are available for free download. After clicking on a magazine you like, you'll be brought to a full-page spread of the magazine, where you can download or view by clicking the arrows to the right. The magazine is full of brightly colored links to different subject matter. Click on anything that interests you and you will be brought to its page.
After you've found a house plan that you love, you might want to change something on the floor plans. Well, our modifications team can help. They can customize anything to the exact specifications that you need to turn it into your dream home. Now that we've gone over some helpful ways for you to find your dream home, you can start your search. Good luck and happy house plan hunting.